It's a little chilly out here. All right, Sopwith Camel taking off, maiden flight. It's a balsa. It looks like it's probably a kit. Pretty good size. Oh, yeah. Not enough rudder. Whoa. Maybe we need to hand launch it. On the grass, yeah, that's better. On the grass, there you go. Easy throttle. All right. Beautiful. Yeah. All right. Okay, we're back. I gave him a lot of down trim. So far so good. He's got a half a stick down to keep it flying level, but other than that, it will just take a mechanical adjustment on the elevator horn. Beautiful.
Okay, I want to come in to land, guys. Okay.
Somebody landing. Sopwith Camel landing. Beautiful. Awesome. Now it's for the trick to taxi it over here.
I'll go get it.
All right.